Hello, I'm Chris Menard. In today's video, I'm going to discuss Google Maps, your timeline. Some people hate the timeline, other people like me love it. I'm going to discuss how to access the timeline, how to delete a day, delete all days, use the timeline to see where you've been. So let's dive into this right now. So I've signed into my Google account and I pulled up Google Maps, just so you know that. You can do this on the computer. You can do this on your iPhone. You can do this on Android. I will put a link to this Google support article that discusses all of these items down below. I'm going to stay on the computer though. To access your timeline, after you sign into Google Maps, come over here to the far right. And you're going to go to your timeline and click. By default, it'll load up in the top left corner. I'm looking at everywhere I've been because year, month, and day, there are no filters running. You should see a lot of red icons around Metro Atlanta because I live in Cobb County. You can see a little red dot showing you that I've been to Nashville, Tennessee. I've been to Memphis, Tennessee, Cincinnati, Richmond, Virginia, and even Chicago and other places. I'm not going to run through every one of them. So, a couple things you can do here. If you want to see where you've been on a certain day, and I'm going to do that right now, I'm going to change it to 2021. I'm going to go to March. There we go. And I think I'm going to make the day the 25th. How about that? And there I am in Memphis, Tennessee at the Peabody Hotel right there. Even keeps up with images that you've taken on that day. By the way, if I wanted to delete this day, there is how you delete one day right there. There's the icon. Now I'm going to go back to the main timeline. So another cool feature is I happen to pick the year, month, and day on that one. But what if you don't remember when you went somewhere? I'm going to open up another Google tab. I've already typed in the Peabody Hotel in Memphis. Over here to the right is a map. It says right here, you visited in March 2021. And this is only visible to me right here. Other people can't see it. Another cool feature is if I actually click to open Google Maps, the map opens, and again, down below, it tells me that I visited in March of 2021. I can come and click here and it will take me to my timeline. Let's just test that. New tab opens up and there I am again. You can see that I drove from my home to Memphis, Tennessee. Cool. And you can sit here and swap dates too. Where was I on the 25th? Where was I on the 24th? 23rd? Really, really cool feature. Now I'm back on the main timeline part. So for those of you that say, ooh, don't like this at all, don't want it, I just showed you how to get rid of one day. If you look down in the very bottom right, let me go make this all time first. So go make it all time. I just did that up in the top left. There's a trash can here, but now the trash can reads to delete all location history. That is how you would get rid of that. The gear icon, if you click that, left click it, cool little features in here. Again, delete all location history. You can go and change your settings for your timeline, and you can even manage what's called personal places. There is a quick overview of the timeline, which I'm a big fan of, and I'll tell you why. Occasionally I will forget to put something on my calendar, but maybe I went to the optometrist. So I go and pull up that optometrist and the Google timeline tells me what day I visited that optometrist. This could apply to doctor's appointments, whatever else. Let me know if you like the Google timeline or even if you hate it, I'd love to know that. Feel free to subscribe, ring the bell. Have a wonderful day. Thank you.